Here's a pair of the T09 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Windows computer, PC, or laptop via Bluetooth. So the first thing is let's go to the Bluetooth settings on our computer. Just do a search for Bluetooth, bottom left-hand corner, right there. Do a search. Just type in Bluetooth, and other devices in system and settings under system settings. So let's go ahead and select on that. Tap on Bluetooth and other devices. Now make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and now you want to tap on the plus sign where it says add Bluetooth other device. Let's tap that right there, and we're going to select this first one. It says Bluetooth, all right? Tap on that. You see this line going across there? It's actually for devices that's in Bluetooth, that's in pairing mode near me. So let's try to put these in a pairing mode. Both the buds are in a case. Let's open these up, and let's see if it goes into pairing mode right away. It says pairing. Oh wait, it says connecting. So it's not in pairing mode. You know that these are in pairing mode if one of the earbuds is blinking blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. None of these are blinking blue, red, blue, red. The reason is because I'm actually connected to a phone here, my Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. So what I got to do here is, well, first of all, I can factory reset these to put these in pairing mode, or I can go into the settings to the phone that I'm currently paired to, like connections, Bluetooth, yeah, the T09. So I can turn off Bluetooth, or I can tap on the settings here, and I can unpair, or I can disconnect. If I do any of those three, this will automatically go into pairing mode. So let's try it. Let's turn off Bluetooth. Okay, as soon as I turn it off, look at the earbuds here. It's off. What do you know? Blue, red on one of the earbuds. Now it's in pairing mode. So let's go ahead and shoot over here. And it's still searching here. Let's see. Where's the T09s? Okay, maybe I took too long. Let me just go ahead and cancel, and I'm going to rescan. Cancel it. I'm going to tap on add Bluetooth other device again. Tap on Bluetooth. And now it's searching again. It's still in pairing mode. Blue, red. Hey, what do you know? T09 right there. Let's tap on that. It says connected. Click on done there. And voila, you can set it's connected right there. And I got 100% battery juice on here. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the description area for that link.